Welcome children. Today we are going to start some questions from your Viva book, that is chapter 7 simple equation for your support. I have selected some of the questions from the let's evaluate part. Question number 10. Let's listen the question. Smita's mother is 34 years old. 2 years from now her mother's age will be 4 times Smita's present age. So what is Smita's present age? Okay, let's consider that it is from Viva book I am doing. It is question number 10. Okay, so in this question let's take that Smita's present age equal to, let's take Smita's present age equal to x. Okay, and according to the question, 2 years from now her mother's age will be 4 times Smita's age. So 2 years from now, so if it is currently if it is 34 years, so after 2 years her mother's age will be, her mother's age after 2 years will be how much? It is presently 34, so plus 2, that means it will be 36 years. Okay, it is given in the question. Now we have to frame the equation for her mother's age, which is 4 times Smita's present age. So what is 4 times Smita's present age? That is equal to what? 4 into x, that stands for 4x. Okay, so here we can say that according to the question, it has been given that after 2 years it will be 4x. So we can write 4x equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Let's cancel both the side by 4. So what we will get? 4x by 4 equal to 36 by 4 if I am dividing both the side by 4. So what I am getting? I am getting that x equal to 9. So what is the present age of Smita? Here we can write that Smita's present age is equal to 9 years. Okay, let's come to the next question. Here in next question you have asked that people of Vrindavan planted a total of 102 trees along the village road. Some of the trees were fruit bearing trees. The number of non-fruit bearing trees was 2 more than the thrice the number of fruit bearing trees. Here what was the number of fruit bearing trees planted? Okay, so let's take, it is question number 11 from the valuest question. So it is number of, let's, the fruit bearing plants equal to x. We are considering that is equal to x. According to the question, it has been given that non-fruit bearing plants, that is 2 more than thrice of the number of fruit bearing plant. Okay, so non-fruit bearing plants that is equal to what? It is 2 more than the thrice of the fruit bearing plant. So 2 more than thrice. Thrice means 3 times of x and 2 more than that. So that is the non-fruit bearing plants. And according to the question, the total number of plant which was planted, that is equal to 3x plus 2, that is non-fruit bearing plant, plus fruit bearing plant, that is we have considered, that is equal to x. So the sum of these two, that is equal to 102. So here what we can do now, we will solve this one. First we will add this to algebraic part, that is equal to 4x we are getting, plus 2 equal to 102. These two I can shift to right hand side. So what I will get? 4x equal to 102. As it is shifted to right hand side, so sign will be negative. So what I am getting? 4x equal to 100. So x equal to 100 divided by 4. Let's cancel. We are getting 25. So how many fruit bearing plants were there? So here we can write the number of fruit bearing plants equal to how much? It is 25. So how many was non-fruit bearing? So if I am subtracting this one from 102, how many we will get? We will get 77. That is the non-fruit bearing plants, but it was not asked in this question. Okay, let's come to the another question from thinking skill. Third question I have selected from the thinking skill, question number 1. Here the question is, Soumya works in an electronic showroom which sells TV sets. Her base salary is rupees 10,000 per month. Soumya also gets an incentive of rupees 240 on every TV set she sells. Find the number of TV sets she should sell in order to earn rupees 14,320 next month. So here by this question you might have understood that base salary, it is fixed, and on that base salary she is getting some incentive as per each by selling one TV set she will get 240 per TV set. Okay, so here let's take the number of TV sets she sell. Here let's take the number of TV set she sells equal to X. Okay, her base salary equal to that is equal to rupees 10,000, it is given in the question, and incentives she earns, that incentives she earns, that is equal to X, that means the number of TV sets, and it is rupees 240. So how much that incentive, it is with the incentive she will get 240x. So as per the question, here in 1 month if she is getting rupees 14,320, okay, so how much incentive she has got in this case. So here according to the question, that base salary equal to 10,000 plus 240x is equal to 14,320. So what is the value of x, we have to find out. So what we will do, we will separate that x part. So I have taken this one in left hand side, I have kept it here. So I will shift this numerical part, that means 10,000 to the right hand side. So here it is minus 10,000. So it is 240x equal to, after subtracting this one we are getting 4320. So x is equal to 4320 divided by 240. So let's cancel. It is 6 4 jar 6 7 jar 42, 6 2 jar 12, it is 4 1 jar 4 8 jar. Okay, so how many TV sets she sell? So here my answer will be, we can write that she sells 18 TV sets. So you can try to solve the rest of the questions of this part. Let's hope for the best. Try by yourself. Thank you.